So this is what we got here. We've got the seal for the sides that run along the sides of the hardtop, the windshield top, and it goes up there along the top of the windshield.
Oh my god! Bitch, I appreciate it.
Welcome back to the garage, the place where we are making your Bronco your dream Bronco. If this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe. Putting out how-to videos for the weekend mechanic and providing the Bronco entertainment for the Bronco community. Today what we're talking about is we're talking about weather stripping. So my Bronco, probably like a lot of yours, it doesn't stand up to the spring weather very well. There have been a number of times where I've been driving down the road and water is literally dripping in from my hardtop where it meets the the windshield. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna install some weather stripping. Now this stuff's super easy to install. It takes very little time, but it'll be a huge bonus if you do it and you do it right. So I got all this stuff at Tom's Bronco Parts, so definitely check the links below if you wanna get any of that. Let's get to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean some of this up. This is rust, so obviously I'm not going to clean much of that up. But the previous owner, when he had this Bronco, he put this like double-sided foam tape on there. So I'm going to remove all of this stuff. Are these little pins, little clips that are in here that go onto the hardtop. So you can see it sticking out right there. So it just kind of holds it up in place and gets it all squared up and lined up for you. All right, so I'm pretty happy with that. Just be careful when you're putting it around your wiper motor that it doesn't catch and pull up. Now I'm gonna put these on. What you can do if your hardtop is not all rusted out like mine is right here is you can turn it and then put another one of those clips in right there, and it kind of acts as a nice little turn down here. But because my hardtop is so rusted, that spot where the pin goes, it's just not going to do much. All right, now this last one is going to go basically right in here like this, all the way up and across and then back down. What I'm actually going to do with mine is I'm actually going to put some seal so that this stays in place, and when you close your lift gate, then it'll seal up. So you can see it'll kind of fit in that little gap there and just kind of seal that area up, that little gap up, so a lot of that exhaust and those fumes don't come inside of your cab while you're driving. Alright, so that is it. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. I'm gonna let this sit, let the gasket maker dry before I close the lid. But yeah, hopefully everything's sealed up now and won't have any more leaks, won't have any more issues when I'm driving around in the rain, and hopefully everything is going well with this. So So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below where you can get some of these gaskets and seals for your hardtop. Keep the rain out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.